This new AI video generator is wild. Higgsfield just dropped over 50 cinematic camera motions, and the results look like they were pulled straight from a Hollywood movie set. Forget morphing fingers and janky motion. Even with fast-moving shots, the hands and faces stay intact. This changes everything. If you've played with AI video before, you know one thing: camera motion has always been tricky. Fast pans, zooms, or tracking shots would usually break the generation. But Higgsfield just solved that. They've introduced an intuitive way to select your camera style. No need to write it into your prompt. You just pick from a drop-down of motion presets, and the model handles the rest. Here are 10 of the most stunning camera motions you can try right now. A hyperspeed tracking shot that feels like a sci-fi chase scene. An FPV drone-style glide, great for extreme sports or landscape shots. A bolt fast motion with dramatic punch-in. A super dolly out for those epic, emotional reveals. Another bolt-style motion, this one faster and more reactive. A subtle parallax move for product showcases. Head tracking, where the camera stays locked to a character's face. A focus shift that feels just like a cinematic lens pull. A mouth-in shot that zooms tight into facial expression. And a crash zoom that Tarantino would be proud of. Here's how it works. Head over to Higgsfield AI. Upload or generate your base video. Choose your camera motion from the drop-down. Hit generate and wait for the magic. No complex prompts. No manual keyframes. Just plug and play cinematography. This isn't just another AI video tool. It's a shift in how creators, marketers, and filmmakers can think about camera direction in AI-generated footage. Higgsfield has quietly built one of the most robust pipelines for motion-aware video, and they're just getting started. So, what scene would you try first? A chase? A product ad? A music video? Let me know in the comments. And if this got your gears turning, give the video a like, subscribe for more AI creative tools, and share this with someone who needs to add more drama to their footage. Because the future of cinematography might just be prompt-based.